Yan. So we're here in Cebu, guys, and we have a healing mission here. So isa siyang barangay, and then this is in Adlawan or what's the place? This is in Cebu City. Yan. So yan siya. Chen. Wait, man. May naambon. Ate Jen, usog kayo, naambon.
Dito ate, oh.
Kuya, you have to go to sleep na. Pagbalik mo dito ng Philippines kaya by September, Kuya Ray, akit din kita. Alam nila Marlo to. So yan, gawin natin sa detox natin. So we're helping this community para kahit wala na kami, how they're gonna heal themselves na kahit wala kami is kaya nilang i-heal yung sarili nila. Just like kung halimbawa na-stroke ka or feeling mo mai-stroke ka, you have to do something. So that's what we're doing for them. It's called Body Talk. And we're doing free blood pressure blood pressure, and then blood sugar testing, iron cell cleanse, ear acu detox, and that one is the eye cleanse, and then eye tera. We're doing that also, and the book.